Collaborative learning is an educational approach to teaching and learning that involves a group of learners working together to solve a problem, to complete a task, to create a product. It's a complete shift from the teacher-centered approach to the learner-centered approach, and it's a key technique in the experiential based learning. In the collaborative classroom, teaching and learning process is different, and instead of lecture, note making, rote learning, emphasis given on getting the information, understand the concept, and sharing the ideas, thoughts, and getting information with the peer group to build the confidence about the concept. In collaboration learning, student learns in small groups. It enhances the students' social competencies. They learn to work as a team, learn to appreciate others' talent, help each other to achieve common learning goal. They take their own responsibility as an effective team member. They learn from the different point of view and perspective. So this enhances their critical thinking too. Now, I'm sharing some strategies to increase the success of collaborative learning in your class. Divide your students in groups. Deliberately select some students to make groups. For more effectiveness, check the size of group. Motivate them to respect and listen each other. Provide independent learning environment. Allot a sufficient time period. So collaborative learning has potential to benefit learner, and there are strong evidences that it enhances collaboration skill. Impact and scope of the collaborative learning can be enhanced by the use of technology and media. With the use of technology, collaborative activities are no longer confined to the classroom but may occur across the geographical, cultural, and language barrier. Collaborative learning is positive, inclusive, and powerful strategy that has a positive impact on the learning. So I encourage you to say yes to the collaborative learning and use this collaborative learning in your teaching. As Franklin Maxim said, that tell me I may forget and teach me I may remember, but involve me and I will learn. This clearly defines the benefits of the collaborative learning.